Another question, moving to the self-induction of the long solenoid. Consider the long solenoid, length L, that is the area of the cross section A. Here number of the turns means N. Now that is the diagram of the long solenoid. So here the length of the solenoid for the that is the L. Length of the solenoid, that is the L. Area of the cross section for the that is the A. Here number of the turns in the solenoid N. Here small n means number of the turns per unit length. Now here current passing through the solenoid means here the magnetic field produced it. That means it is almost the uniform magnetic field. Here it is the magnetic field. So at the magnetic field for the that means it is a uniform magnetic field. So here the direction for the along the axis of the solenoid. Along the axis of the solenoid. So that means it is almost it is a uniform magnetic field. So already we know the magnetic field in a solenoid means that B equal to mu naught N I. That is the current flowing in a solenoid. So now moving to the magnetic flux passing through the each turns. Magnetic flux means that is a pi B. So pi B means it is equal to area integral B vector dot dA vector. Now here we can using the theta. That means it is a B A cos theta. So here it is the theta means that is a 0 degree. So finally we can get the magnetic flux passing through the each turns means that is a BA. Now we are substituting the magnetic field values. So that means pi B equal to mu naught Ni into A. So total magnetic flux linked or flux linkage of the solenoid with number of the turns. Here introduce the number of the turns means that is the capital N. So that means number of the turns in the solenoid. So that means number of the turns per unit length into length of the solenoid. So now we can find out the total magnetic flux linked in the coil. Total magnetic flux means number of the turns. Now here it is using the N means NL. So pi B means mu naught Ni into A. So now rearrange that equation. Mu naught N squared AL into I. Rearrange பண்ணிடுறோம். That means it is the total flux linked in a solenoid. So இதிலிருந்து நம்ம எழுதும்போது already we know the flux linkage. That flux linkage is equal to என்னன்னு சொல்லியிருந்தோம்னா செல்ஃப் இண்டக்ஷன்ல LI ன்னு சொல்லியிருந்தோம். இந்த LI இங்கே சப்ஸ்டிட் பண்ணா என்ன வரும் பாருங்க. now here substitute the LI equal to இங்கே சப்ஸ்டிட் பண்ணும்போது நமக்கு என்ன வேல்யூ வரும்னா mu naught N squared ALI. I கேன்சல் பண்ணிடலாம். Finally we can get the L ஓட வேல்யூ பொறுத்த வரையில் என்ன வருதுன்னு பார்த்தோம்னா L equal to mu naught N squared AL. So suppose the solenoid filled with the dielectric medium. இப்போ இந்த solenoid நம்ம வந்து filled with the medium. That means it is the dielectric medium of the relative permeability. that means it is the mu r ன்னு சொல்லுவோம். மீடியம் சேஞ்சஸ் ஆகிறதுனால இது ஃப்ரீ ஸ்பேஸ் இயர்ல எழுதுறது. இப்போ மீடியம் சேஞ்சஸ் ஆகிறதுனால என்ன எழுதுவோம்னா mu n squared AL ன்னு எழுதுவோம். ஆல்ரெடி we know the mu means mu naught mu r. Now we can substitute that value means finally we can get the coefficient of the self induction for the L equal to mu naught mu r n squared AL. So that is the self inductance of the long solenoid. It is a very important 3-mark question. So இதிலிருந்து நம்ம என்ன சொல்ல முடியும்னா செல்ஃப் இண்டக்டன்ஸ் கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியும். முன்னாடி நம்ம வந்து மேக்னெட்டிக் ஃபீல்டு கண்டுபிடிச்சிருந்தோம். இப்போ நம்ம என்ன கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கிறோம்னா செல்ஃப் இண்டக்டன்ஸ் கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கோம்.